The Assembled Woods collection is an amazingly beautiful LVT product that is reminiscent of an old parquet type design. It goes back to this nostalgic look at the old world beauty of wood and that spirit and comfort of our homes. But again, it's very modern, so just a super fun product to play with from a design perspective.
The collection includes an 18 by 18 inch square, which is our style called angular grain, as well as a 6 by 36 plank called planked. And there are 5 different colorways of angular grain, and for every colorway there's 2 coordinating styles of planked. And it's really nice because with the color coordination you're able to mix and match the 2 different colorways, and it really gives you a more in-depth look and also like varied texture when you're installing the floor.
Taking a straight grain wood and rotating it and then knitting that with a light or a dark color family within the same tile is quite complex, and the end product looks absolutely fantastic. It can serve certainly a traditional installation, but it does allow you to drop into more contemporary spaces.
The Assembled Woods collection is really made for a multitude of spaces, anywhere from hospitality to healthcare and even workplace.
3 components per colorway. Right, the singular plank in the light value, wall-to-wall, simple installation all day long. Take the darker plank, blend that in, both horizontally or even a herringbone. The dimensions of the tile, the plank are perfect for a perfect herringbone installation. Now you can bring in the assembled carpet tile and you can blend all 3 components together. And wait, there's more. You can take the second and the third colorways from the other components and bring 4, 6, 8, 12 components together.
So it's a 5mm product, 20mm wear layer, which meets your industry standard for wear, but we also add the Enforce Ultra performance system on our product, which helps out with the staining, the scratching, and the scuffing that you'll get in these commercial environments. But also think about the acoustical benefits of this product. Your IIC ratings and your STC ratings are pretty high, so it's going to deaden the sound in these applications where you're trying to work and keep a good sound balance in that space. This product has a square edge with a light emboss with it, which helps out with the ease of cleanability of the product. It transitions really nice to our EcoFlex 1 or EcoFlex Air backing without dealing with any sort of transition strips in the space.
There is a lot there you can explore if you want to be bold. And we do have the sales tool and we have the support here at Mohawk that can guide you through that process to make it easier. Now you've got a platform here that could be infinitely complex to create some absolutely stunning floor art. I would put this into every installation I could possibly put it into, including my home. I think it's absolutely stunning.